Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So today, we're going to make a volcano for our time in Expo.
First, we take the old newspaper and put it into the water and make it into like a paper pulp like that. After we make the newspaper into the paper pulp until like this, okay, we put this away and then we're going to make the body of the volcano. The second step, we take the cardboard, the scissors, the pencil, and the duct tape. So we make like the body of the volcano using the cardboard. We make it like this and make sure that the hole is fit with your bottle. I don't know what is your bottle size, so we have to measure it first. And after you measure it, for example, I have measured it, I take the duct tape and glue it, stick it, okay? After I stick it, and then just imagine that I have stick it, I take the pencil and draw a line, okay? Draw a line in a circle like this to make like the bottom of the volcano. After that, you can cut it until like a volcano. And if you have the rest of the paper, you can make like a land. And I already make one, so I can show you the example. So it will be like this. The third step, we use tray, paper glue, and the paper pulp that we make in the first step. So now we take the volcano that already we have made, we put it in the tray. After we put it in the tray, take some paper glue and put it into the paper pulp that we put on. Put it there. This is made when the paper pulp, we put it here and it dry, it will be solid. After we mix this with glue, put it into the body of the volcano like this. After it become like this, we dry it in the sunlight and we wait it until it dry. The next morning after it dried, it will become like this, solid, and then you take some paint like this and draw it as you want. So after we paint it like this, we will coat it with resin. Why? It because so when we put the experiment and it blown up, the paper didn't get like crushed, and it will be like this after we put on the resin.
The thing we need to make it explode is hydrogen peroxide, food coloring, dishwashing soap, yeast, 2 plastic bottles. One of them has a water. So the first step is we take the yeast and then we mix into the water. After we mix it, we put it away for a while. So the next step is we take the other bottle and we put the hydrogen peroxide into the bottle. And then we put food coloring into the bottle as well. And finally, we put the washing soap into the water. Then we mix it. Next, we pour the hydrogen peroxide into the mountain carefully. Each solution into the mountain